As Kenya and the world marked World Food Day Tuesday, Siaya County decided to do it in style, holding the event at Doctor Jacob Konyango's farm, a one-stop shop for a variety of crops and animals with a fish pond and apiary to boot. Now, the event held at Ajigo village in Bondo sub-county was graced by Siaya Governor Cornel Rasanga, and so exhibitors and agricultural experts share knowledge with farmers. Our Nyanza regional reporter Kevin Ogutu has that report for us.
All roads in Siaya literally led to the farm of Dr. Jacob Konyango, a passionate farmer whose zeal is manifested in various crops and animals he has on his farm. For a man who, together with his wife, started poultry farming way back in 1974, they still have more to do. From a fish pond to a poultry farm, all the way to the orchard, Onyango's farming history is that of how to be self-sufficient as a household in terms of food production, given 37% of Siaya population is food insecure.
The first project we started with poultry in 1974.
Right here?
Right here.
Gracing the event was Siaya Governor Cornel Rasanga, who, after visiting a number of stands, realized that learning was an everyday occurrence.
And what we have learned here is that you can tap the water from a small dam and use that water by using just a small pump. And in Siaya, this is one of the things. We have dams that are quite numerous here in Siaya. We have so many big dams.
Other than viewing what Konyango and his family had done on their farm, passionate farmers who had come to mark the World Food Day got the opportunity to get farming skills from the experts.
We know that African indigenous vegetables have been eaten in Africa for a very, very long time. But with the introduction of exotic plants and the commercial exotic crops, people tended to neglect these vegetables and other indigenous crops. And yet, the research has shown that these vegetables have exclusively high nutritional and health benefits, even compared to the exotic ones.
At this stage is when you should start doing what? Spraying.
Like we are anticipating the long rains, El Nino rains in November and December. We are encouraging small-scale farmers to use the technology to collect the surface runoff and use it later for irrigation. Equally, we can use the dam lining technology for fish pond.
Those who participated in the event included young people, most of who were keen to learn new agriculture tips.
I've seen stormwater that has been used to, that has been harvested actually to produce quality bananas.
Down there I've seen the fish pond. Also, despite the fact that the area is dry.
Dr. Konyango says Agricultural Financing Corporation is the way to go for those facing financial hurdles. This marks the end of World Food Day right here at Ajigo village in Siaya County. And with the country's food insecurity at 37%, Governor Rasanga's resolve to rehabilitate dams for irrigation farming could be the answer of addressing that gap between the food production in the county versus the demand of food in this particular county in Nyanza region. Kevin Ogutu for KTN News in Siaya.